Hello friends, I am Mishra Drishtant, a student teacher in Bttc F.Y.B.Ed roll number 26. Today I will perform an experiment in which we will compare the density of water and density of lemon and why this lemon sink in normal water but float in a salt water. So I have a glass of normal water and lemon. When this lemon put in normal water, then we will see that lemon will sink in water. Now if I add some and make the water salty, then we will see what happened. Now I am adding salt in water and make the water salty. After properly mixing salt in water, now I am putting this lemon in water. Now we can see that what lemon is floating on salty water. Why this happens? In first case, density of normal water is smaller than density of lemon. Therefore, lemon sinked in water. But in case of salt water, the density of salt water is greater than the density of lemon. Therefore, the lemon float on the water. I am Mishra Drishtant, student teacher in Bttc F.Y.B.Ed roll number 26. Today I will perform experiment in which we will see the attraction and repulsion of magnet and reason behind that. Here I have a two magnet, one is larger one and one is smaller one. When I this larger one magnet take towards the smaller one, then we can see that the smaller one goes away from the larger one. Now if I change the one of the side of smaller one magnet, then if I take this larger magnet towards the smaller one, then it will attract the smaller one. Why this happens? Because of the properties of magnet. In magnet there are two poles, north pole and south pole. The property of magnet says that if there are same poles near to each other, then they will repel each other. Like if there is north pole and south pole, then they start repelling each other. And opposite to it, if there are north pole and south pole near to each other, or south pole north pole near to each other, then they will start attracting to each other. Hello friends, I am Drishtant Mishra performing experiment in which we will see the magnetic property of metal. Here we have three iron nails. When we take first nail closer to second nail, they are not attracting, not repelling each other. Nothing happened. This is the first case. Now in second case, we take bar magnet towards the first nail, then first nail get stick to the magnet. Now what happens? You can see. You can see that nail is showing magnetic property, but in first case it was not showing magnetic property. So from this experiment we can say that some metal have magnetic property, but it does not showing magnetic property until it come in contact of any magnet. Example, these iron nails have magnetic property, but it is not showing until and unless it come in contact of any magnet.